Hello viewers, today I will tell you about the apple cider vinegar, process and use, quantity, timings, and about its benefits. Let's begin with the process and use. First of all, buy a apple cider vinegar bottle from a good Indian pharma company. Take a glass of water. Make sure you will take lukewarm water. It will enhance its benefits. Friends, here I will tell you about the exact quantity of this vinegar so that you can have it twice a day. Take 5 to 7 drops of this vinegar, not more than that, not less than that. This much. You can exactly see that in the spoon. Mix it well. Nice. And your drink is ready now. It is a instant drink. Timings. Friends, timings play a very important role as well as the drinking of this vinegar is concerned. You can take it before and after 20 minutes of your every meal, but I suggest to take twice in a day. Don't consume it just after your meal, that will cause problem. Next, benefits. It will boost your metabolism and improve your digestion. It helps in dissolving your gallstone in your gallbladder and reduce the pain. It regulates blood sugar level and give relief to diabetic patients. Protect tooth enamel if you keep it for 30 seconds in your mouth before brushing. It also promote weight loss because it fight against your cravings for food. It is also good for your skin and fight with many acne problems. Thanks for watching.